Welcome to the Succulent Home, where I'm going to pot up and refresh this poor pot that has definitely not been taken care of. Okay? Has not been taken care of. And so we are going to revamp this guy right here. Okay? Because he deserves to look a little better. You know? And I was thinking these guys right here. Okay? It's been a minute. So they already bloomed, as you can see. So let me just cut that off. The little blooms that already bloomed. Trying to be careful not to cut the plant itself. It's always good to cut these off too, you know, so that there's no wasted energy source to go to dead blooms. And it'll have more energy source going to just growing. Okay. Look at how beautiful that is. It's gorgeous. So gorgeous. This actually is the Crassula rupestris. Oh gosh, you guys, help me. Help me. Help a girl out. What's the name? How do you pronounce that? I don't know. I have no clue. I'm trying to dig some of this out. There we go. Oh my gosh. Now, if I had a Medusa head, that'd probably be better as Medusa, huh? Well, let's just say Medusa turned this dude. Into a fallow Medusa. Medusa. You know what I mean? Oh my God, I cracked myself up. Anyways. Just go with the storyline, guys. Can you guys believe already? It is 2026 and we're already like going 4 months into this new year. Before you know it, we're going to be to 2027 again. Jeez, time flies by so fast. I mean, I think this is cool. Let me see here. Oh, look at, I had this sedum, but this sedum needs to be so wet. I need to water it. It's so dry. To soak this really good. I'm putting the sedum just so it can fill in the front and still look like it's like hair or snakes coming out. Thank you. We'll do it growing this way. We'll grow it in. Okay. Let me give it a drink of some water. Let me get some water. so we can water. Okay, let's go ahead and just give it a little water. Now, I'm gonna find a place for it. Let's go find a place. So right here, I think, is the best place for it. Right next to the other original pot that we did together. I'm just trying to rinse off the Look at how cute that is. So let's go ahead and leave him here. I think I'm gonna redo the pot that's behind his little face, but I like the little, us putting it together in like in a 3, like stacks of 3 pots, like an arrangement of 3, but that is sad back there. So I'm gonna do something that gives some height. So I think I might put a, I think I'm gonna put like a jade, something that I have here already in the garden that gives it some height in this little arrangement area. What do you guys think? Well, till the next video, I hope you liked these last few ones that I did. See you later. God bless. Bye.